So whenever you create a new email right here, then what you can do is you can go around and address a particular person and send the email to that person. But what you can also do is add in CC and BCC right here. So if I were to go around and go to CC right here, then what you can do is you can go around and add in, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say tutor tube channel at gmail.com right here. So I'm just going to go around and say test and test right here, just like this, and then send out the email over here. So once you do that, what actually happens is that it sends a copy of that email besides whom it is addressed to other email address as well. So CC stands for carbon copy, and then what happens is that a carbon copy is sent to the other person as well. So if I were to go around over here onto the inbox right here, then you can see the test over here, as you can see, and you can see that CC is me right here on this particular email, but I can actually see who this email was actually for. But let's say I don't want to know whom this email is actually for. I don't want to send that information, but I want to send a copy of the email to the other person. In that case, what I can do is I can use BCC, which means blind carbon copy. So let me just go around and address this out, and in BCC, I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say for example, YouTube channel at gmail.com, and I'm going to go around and say test2 right here. So once I go around and do that, test2 is here, and what I'm going to do is click on send. So once I do that, you can see that the message is being sent right here, just like this. And then once it is sent, if I were to go around onto inbox over here, what will happen is that it'll just get received right here. So you can see that it is actually being sent over here, and then in a while you receive that email over here, as you can see. And if I were to go around over here, now it says to me. So it's actually seems as if the email was sent to me, but now while in the beginning it was sent to someone else. And this is how you can utilize the blind carbon copy. That means who the email is sent to, the information is not sent, but it seems as if the email is sent to sent to someone else as well. And that is the use of blind carbon copy. And that is the use of carbon copy, that is CC, and blind carbon copy, BCC, inside of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.